Hi, and welcome back to 2 Minutes with the VA. Today's question is from Julianne, and Julianne wants to know, what do you do for your pre-contract consultation with prospective clients? All right, so Julianne, I have kind of my own little thoughts on this. I think that I am interviewing the client, the prospective client, just as much as they am interviewing me. It has to be a good fit both ways. There's certain people that I work really well with, and there are certain types that I don't. And those are the types that I don't are the ones that I typically will refer to another virtual assistant that I know will work with them a little bit better. So that's the basic answer. As far as what and all do, we talk to them a lot. We find out, after a while it becomes, a little bit second nature. So you're able to find out from them what you need to know to be able to find out if you're a good fit and, what kind of pricing you need to give them. Most of the time I just have a conversation with them. I have some basic questions that I make sure that I get answers to, and depending on what your specific needs are will depend on, what kind of questions that you're going to ask and answer from them. It really just is about the conversation and making sure that you're doing it. Practice, get your family members to sit down and have a consultation with you. I used to talk to myself in the car on my way, coming up with objections or whatever, and, what kind of things that I needed to ask them, and, answers and, things like that, and kind of play back and forth like that. The other thing you need to have is have your contract ready. Have it already filled out with the basic information, leave, the price and that kind of thing, open so you can fill it out on the fly. I personally usually don't give quotes, sitting there if I'm actually meeting with somebody. I do go back and do a little research on their company, who they are. I go back over our conversation and my notes from that conversation, and then I will give them pricing. Again, that's only for a good fit. I find that about 25% of the people that I talk to are probably not a good fit for me and my business because of how we operate and how we do things. So, you just have to kind of see. I hope that helps answer your question a little bit. If you have anything specific about meeting with the prospective client, I would be more than happy to answer that for you. Until next time.